Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing NET7 and creating a console or minimal web API project. Once done, obtain an AI API key and set it as an environment variable so you avoid embedding secrets. Then, add the official SDK NuGet package or plan to use HTTP client. This choice affects complexity and error handling. Make sure to register configuration and dependency injection if you use a web API. Now you have prerequisites and the first actionable steps to make an authenticated request. You create an HTTP client or instantiate the SDK client and add the bearer token from environment variables. Next, construct the JSON payload with model name, prompt text, max tokens, and temperature. This controls cost and randomness. Then call the API using a sync/await to keep your app responsive, and consider sending streaming responses if you need partial output quickly. Make sure to handle timeouts and cancellation tokens. Finally, log essential metadata, status codes, and payload sizes so you can optimize later. You deserialize the API response into DTOs, validate the return text or structure, and then integrate it into your UI or backend flow. Once integrated, add retries with exponential backoff and simple rate limit handling to stay resilient. Deploy behind a serverless function or container for scalability and monitor latency and error rates to control costs. If things go wrong, check your API key and quotas first, then validate JSON schema. Most failures are authentication or payload format errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.